Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Maggi chicken noodle soup mix, 4 cups of water, and about 1 cup of cooked, shredded chicken. Feel free to add your favorite vegetables, like diced carrots or frozen peas, for extra flavor and nutrition. This recipe is quick and incredibly satisfying. Now, let's get cooking. Pour 4 cups of water into a medium-sized pot. Place it on your stovetop and bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. Once the water is vigorously boiling, carefully add the entire packet of Maggi chicken noodle soup mix. Stir it well to ensure there are no lumps and the powder dissolves completely. After adding the soup mix, reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer gently for about 3 minutes. Next, stir in your cooked, shredded chicken and any vegetables you've chosen. Allow the soup to continue simmering for another 5 minutes or until your vegetables are tender crisp. This ensures all the flavors meld beautifully together. Your delicious Maggi chicken noodle soup is now ready to enjoy. Carefully ladle the hot soup into individual bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh parsley or cilantro. This comforting soup is perfect for a chilly evening or whenever you need a quick, warm meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.